I've done a repair job for one of my customers and I want to bill just for that job. So let's look at how to do that. I'm going to go to Accounts and click on Manage Customer Accounts. And if I see the customer in the list, I can just click on it. If not, I can type their name in the panel here. And when they come up, I just click on the name. Okay, then I'm going to scroll down to Customer Charges. So here's the Customer Charges section. And I'm going to look at all the charges that are out there. As you can see, I have some work order charges here, work order 383. Those are on hold because the work hasn't been done yet. What I'm after is job 385. Okay, so there are two charges, one for $100 and one for $50. Those were all part of the job I just did. There's also a deposit for job 385. As you can see, it shows you the job number right there. Okay, so this deposit will be applied when I bill for job 385. So let's do that now. Click on the Bill Now button and it brings up the billing page. And I'm going to tell it what it is to include when I bill. Okay, the first thing is I want to include a statement because I want the customer to see all the charges that have been applied to their account. And any payments that they've made will also appear on that statement. I don't want to include the monthly service charge because I'm only billing for a specific job. So I'm going to clear that box. This is not a monthly bill. This is just for a specific job. I want to include the unbilled charges, those two charges, but I'm going to tell it which charges in a minute. I don't want to include the work order charges that are on hold because that work hasn't been done yet. So I'll leave that box unchecked. Okay, where under the column it says I am billing, I'm going to hit the drop down tab and select service request or work order that I choose below. So when I click on that, it's going to ask me to select the service request. And remember, we're billing for 385, job 385. So I go ahead and select 385 from the list. And the next column says, do I want to exempt it from auto bill pay? If the customer is set up for automatic bill payment, do I want automatic bill payment to pay this invoice or not? If it's large, the customer may have requested that we not take this payment by credit card, in which case you would say, yes, exempt it from auto bill pay. Okay, so let's just leave it at that. Yes, we're going to exempt it from auto bill pay. And then all I have to do is put in a period for when these charges are covered. Okay, so I just chose the entire month. You could choose one day if you want. For a repair job, it really doesn't matter. So now that I'm done filling out the screen, all I have to do is click the Submit button and let it do its thing and create the invoice. And here's the invoice. And here are the two charges for the customer, the $100 and the $50. And also it included the deposit on this invoice. And of course, the statement is right here as well. So that's how you bill a specific job for a customer.